Georgian College has a number of environmental sustainability projects that we're undertaking to lower our CO2 footprint. I'm here to tell you the ones that culinary is participating in. One of the ones that we started last year is in our Bun on the Run operation, which is a takeout food service operation. We have introduced, taken away plastic cutlery, and we're now using bamboo cutlery. Additionally to that, we've eliminated single-use plastics. So when someone comes and gets their food from that particular operation, they take it away in a reusable plastic container. When they're finished with that, we have a bin that they can redeposit it, and we wash those containers in our industrial washing machine and reuse them for future customers. A few years ago, we started our garden project, and we cut a very large garden, and now we plant zucchini, tomato, squash, beans, a lot of the products that we use in our culinary program itself for student learning, but we also use those products in our two dining room facilities. And any extra products that we produce, we turn over to our food locker program, which helps students in need. Last summer, we started our orchard, which you can see just out the back behind me. We planted 5 pear trees and 5 apple trees, and we also planted 2 cherry trees and a pear tree on the other side of the road. This was in an effort not only to, I guess, someday be able to reduce the amount of produce that we have to bring in, but also trees are excellent for sequestering CO2. So any trees that we plant on the campus lowers the CO2 footprint of the college. We're very focused on bees right now. In a couple of weeks, we're going to bring in our first beehives into the campus that will produce honey for us as well as be pollinators in our garden. And last year we had a group of students who actually built a bee domicile for us, which is just up behind me as well. And the purpose of a bee domicile is a lot of bees don't actually make hives, but they need a place to live. So we built essentially a bee hotel for our local pollinators. Well, with all the things that we end up producing on our campus, such as our maple syrup, our honey someday, and all the produce that we bring out of the garden, that reduces the amount of produce that we have to bring into the campus, which lowers food miles and gasoline usage and so on. So all of that helps us lower our CO2 footprint. This year we introduced something in our class where all of our programs, students need to engage in one sustainability project. And so there is some learning that's taking place prior to that to learn about the SDGs so that students can focus in on which sustainable goal they'd like to attack in their project work. And we're also in the process of creating a micro-credential that students will be required to take that will introduce them to the UN SDGs, as well as how they apply to their academic life and their future life when they leave Georgian College. It's important that everybody learn about environmental sustainability, but it's really important that hospitality learns about it. The industry has a very large carbon footprint, and there are so many ways that we can attack that and reduce it. And that really is the future of our industry.